Pôle Mer Bretagne Atlantique is an innovation cluster dedicated to maritime economy in all aspects of maritime economy. Our workshop will relate to exploitation and valorization of maritime data. Maritime data relating to safety, maritime security and protection of the environment will increase considerably. The field of activities is very vast and concern, for example, activities of state at sea, maritime surveillance, protection of the environment, drones, navigation and fishing, aquaculture and many else. The objective of this workshop is to discuss the data market with data producers, data owners and operators. Come and meet us at CITEC Week from 15 to 17 October in Brest, an international event you can't miss.